Hi guys, we're gonna do puppy pager intro. So what I'm doing here is I've got this pager on, and according to Greg, this is set at the highest. This is set at the highest. Anyway, Benjamin will be back in a minute. Sorry. At the highest level of page, depending on the puppy. I would honestly think for smaller puppies, possibly you would want to use it lower. You know, for hard-going puppies, it might be to your advantage to use it higher. So all I'm going to do is, sorry, that's not the chicken. And what I'm saying to myself, and I will tell you that this is not, because Benjamin was a singleton, but I've been working on building up the food drive. And if you said to me that was the only thing I did with the puppy, I would say that's good. If you said to me I made it wait for its food, I would wince. I wouldn't be able to help it. Make some muffins or something. Get these videos chopped out.
It's a little cool bird. Just a bird over there, just where he's at is neat.
All right, so what I'm saying to myself, this is a puppy that doesn't, at this point in its life anyway, have a lot of momentum to harness. Whatever momentum that it has, I do want to harness though. So I'm not doing, after last night's panic of it being lost, I was texting, you, Breck, and Randolph must be my three best friends, because that's what I'm saying. I was going, this is what I put.
Curry.
Please see this. Because we apparently...
It was late, so I knew you wanted to go to bed with it.
I would have called on the land phone, but we had left it off the hook so long when I finally did find it. The battery was so dead, even after like 40 minutes, it still wouldn't charge. I'm like, oh my God. How is the technology that we have?
It's annoying.
All right, so look, I'm going to show you how I can get a zoom in on him, Summer. This is all going to be about height in reality. I liked it better when he was standing up. I'm going to tell you that. Oh, that bird. Does he see that bird?
See him? He's cool. He's just hanging out down there.
That boxer sees it. She's going to go.
There she goes.
This might be my chance. I want this puppy as big as to the collar. It's honestly never had a leash on before. So I want the puppy, Benjamin! Doing everything in my pocket. I'm not standing there. I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm standing there. So now I'm also making notes about, you know, where's this puppy's head at, and he's definitely interested in the food.
Son.
He's a pretty alert little guy. So I'm saying to myself now, that worked, but I need to make it work again and again and again. So I'm looking for little seeds. Where is it going to work? Start backing up. I'll tell you where it's going to work, right here. Benjamin! Benjamin! Oh, you precious Benjamin. You precious Benjamin. So all I'm really doing at this point is clicking it because I'm kind of litmus testing it to see where I'm at. And I can tell you what it's not doing is upsetting the dog in any way. And I haven't used chicken maybe with him that he could maybe even remember. So now these two things are suddenly happening together.
It's like Wi-Fi.
You little Benjamin. If I can continue any motion, I'm going to do that. I'll tell you what I'm not going to do. Be a statue. Oh, look at my little monkey. Ate all Mama's lipstick, chewed up. What'd she chew up? Oh, my new glasses.
Yep,
In case
lipstick,
you guys noticed, I have
glasses.
different glasses since yesterday. Well, but you know, this is how I have to look at it. All right, there's got to be something with more chicken in it than this. This seems like more Bill Jack. Oh, give me the one that's just all chicken. Because I have to say, Benjamin was not a high food drive puppy. We're going to do the little lab puppy too, and you're going to see a difference. I thought there was one that was all chicken.
Yeah, so
Okay.
this is that, this and this. So
Oh, Summer's like, oh,
once this is going,
use it carefully.
once it's going. Oh,
That's all I'm doing, you guys. I'm sort of interjecting it into the dynamic. I'm not trying to. Change the whole story. I'm just putting little bends in the story.
little bends.
Bending the dog is basically what I'm doing. You know, and again, you're thinking long term. To me, if you train dogs, if your job is training dogs and telling people at the end of 2 weeks it's trained, you're a terrible trainer. So what I'm looking for, fine, hang on, my boxer, look, my boxer's disappearing. I'm gonna make this boxer reappear. Hang on. I'm just gonna tell you guys right now, I can tell you that I hit the pager. I was actually getting ready to do a little bit of a low nick and then come through with my pager. I couldn't even get it, the dog appeared. Spooky. All right, so now what I'm looking at here is now I've got a puppy that seems to be a lot more interested in me. Oh, and he's absolutely huge. We're gonna take a picture with Benjamin. But I told him, Benjamin, you gotta get your ears up. Well, he's gonna look completely different. Benjamin's just going through the ugly duckling stage. This is what I say to her. That's all she knows how to do.
That's all she knows how to do, and make a mess.
Let's just. So again, I don't want to seem like I'm acting like anything. I also don't want to think. I don't want a puppy to think that what I do is just stand there and feed it. Because then they get a sense of entitlement. It's Monday today. I told the weatherman, please. I said, please.
Please, I called them
Oh,
out.
no, they said it's going to be cold. I said, oh, please.
Not too bad.
Bring our bread down here and eat fish. Oh, it'll be an exciting episode. We'll call it The Fish Eat Some Bread. So I know, and you guys, I've got this dog out here on purpose. I'm going to tell you what I've developed. Clearly developed in this dog is, the only thing I can say is it's somehow developed an automatic recall. Am I wrong, Summer?
Smart.
Or it's some kind of really good dog actor.
Yeah.
It's gonna hang down here now. All right, so I'm looking for chances to get this puppy in motion. And I'm gonna tell you why, so I can create a term. If I'm saying I'm a craftsman, this is my tool, this is my clay, and what I wanna create is that turn, then that's what I'm doing. To put it in a nutshell, that's what I'm doing. So again, and I'm saying if it's a potting wheel, I need to get it spinning at a certain speed. This is a low energy puppy. I can do some of it, start going that way, just ease away quietly. Benjamin! You know, and if you said, well, you're kind of, you know, you do want to have a heightened reality behavior. I made it seem like I was, oh, Benjamin's like,
You're
she's
going to
liquored
Disney
up.
World.
She is liquored up and looking for action. Oh, look, I got him in motion. Any motion I can get, but you can see it's not inhibiting the dog at all. It's not saying to itself, what happened? What was that strange feeling? Look on that one video, the guy's like, oh, they got to get used to that strange feeling. Well, I'll tell you what strange feelings I like to get used to. None. How about you? Somebody says this can feel a little strange. I don't like that.
I gotta get used to that strange feeling.
Okay, if it's a choice between nothing ever feels strange and strange feeling things, I'll tell you which one I'm picking.
Just gotta get used to that. How often does that guy say that to people?
Yeah. All right, so look, I'm looking
That's
for
so funny.
emotion. You need to be...
Okay.
And I can easily... Benjamin! Everything about what I'm doing is very, I'm just going to tell you guys, with dogs, if you want them to believe you're going somewhere, just go like this with your...
It's the robot.
It was a turtle, it was a stick. It's these new glasses I have. It was like on that Seinfeld where George saw Jerry's girlfriend kissing his cousin, and it was really the policewoman, you know, kissing a horse.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, look, it's a turtle.
It's just a stick.
Oh, look, there goes my boxer. Let's see what happens.
Look what I can do.
Get the automatic.
I'm sure.
You know, and if I had to say, and I've got a nice scene here, all right, kind of back yourself up a little bit, because I'm going to go by you maybe this way a little bit.
Okay. Okay, dokie.
So, you know, now might be, and this is what I want you guys to think of, you know, the arm card. I'm pulling the arm card. You know, if a dog comes up and just sits at me and looks at me, and that's not what I want it to do. What I don't do is go play, go play, go play. You'll see it at every dog park in America. Every dog park in America, Shu. Every single one. You need your own YouTube shoe. Oh, get a zoom in on Shu's new collar. She won that.
Fancy girl.
Auction.
She's a fancy girl.
Yeah, I mean, she actually. All right, we need to back up a little bit.
She's
Yeah,
a fancy
she actually
girl.
orders stuff herself.
What else would she do? She needs some white fur boots.
Again, I'm pulling the arm card right here, so I can kind of get him in motion. Get ready, 'cause he's on the hunt now. He's pulling the German Shepherd card on her. All right, up. This is going to be what you want to get him, when he gets in motion. Because all I'm doing when I do that is changing the motion. I'm not adding it. As much as I can do that. And you'll see he'll end up being fast. He's kind of a low energy puppy though. As far away as I can get him in the beginning as possible. That's what I want to do. He's now making it quite clear. He's her clip-on koala bear. Benjamin!
You just dropped all those. She's gonna stop probably. Oh, that was really good. That was really good. They went past the treats and everything. Did you drop treats?
Oh, I dropped my treat?
Yeah, and I was like, oh, let's see if she does it. She's seen him too, and she kept going. Or he?
Well, if that was
Good
anything, then
boy.
it was,
Both of them. That was
they
good.
fell victim to their own. They fell victim to, I played the arm card on them.
That was good.
And you do want to augment, that's the heightened reality, you guys. In reality, I walk over here. In heightened reality,
I'm
my arms flying, I
in the
walk
spotlight.
through the wind to get down to my house, you know.
Yeah.
So more than anything, my job is to communicate to this puppy that that's me, that pager is me. As much as possible, I'm saying I'm a craftsman. I'm gonna mold that and shape that turn. And I'm gonna take a long time to do it if I have to. I back up a little bit.
Mark's texting. Run for your life!
So again, I've always got a camera person, so I've sometimes got the dilemma where the dog's gonna go to that person. Her job is to be in boring reality while I'm in, and it works. That is the first time this puppy's had the collar on, and that's where we're at. More updates soon.